In June 1965, Martin Luther King visited Jamaica. He was nominated by a committee at the University of the West Indies and invited to deliver the sermon at the valedictory service. So this visit was not regarded as an official one arranged by the government. Dr. and Mrs. King were met at Palisades Airport by Prime Minister Hugh Shearer, Sir Felix Sherlock, the then UWI Vice Chancellor, and others from the UWI Welcoming Committee. Dr. King delivered a memorable speech that captivated faculty, graduates, and visitors who packed the hall at the University of the West Indies. Another one of Dr. King's planned visits was made to the National Stadium. There, he delivered another riveting speech to a large audience. He began by expressing how he had never felt more at home anywhere else in the world than Jamaica, where he was treated like a human being. He was later given the keys to the City of Kingston. Dr. King's time in Jamaica included attending a dinner at King's House, visiting the tomb of Marcus Garvey to lay a wreath, and calling on the director of the United States Agency for International Development, also known as USAID. This 10-day visit to Jamaica was not just a formal affair. It was also a time for relaxation. Ebony magazine included photos of Dr. and Mrs. King enjoying their vacation. The article also mentioned that Dr. King's usual smartly dressed appearance was often replaced with pajamas, a bathrobe, and slippers, with an occasional skip of shaving. Yet, during his vacation, his planning, meetings, and manuscript writing continued. During Dr. King's visit, he continued to react to the differences in living as a Black person in Jamaica versus living in the United States. He made it known throughout his stay how impressed he was with Jamaica's development from a colonial territory of England into a politically independent majority Black country. Dr. King visited Jamaica 2 years later in 1967 for more rest and relaxation. This was a year prior to his assassination.